class 4. We will start our EVS class in our e-learning classes. And today I will start to revise the chapter going to school. So let's start. But before that, I would like to request you, if you have any problem, you have any kind of queries or question, you can put them in the e-portal questionnaire or in the assignment section, or your queries you can send and I will give the answer. Before it, sir has taken the chapter, but now we will start the revision part. So going to school, the very first part of this, it is given one structure of a pole. So we know in everywhere we are living in the plane, but everywhere students or the children go to school. So maybe they are going by boat, maybe they are going by bridge, maybe they are coming to our school like in a bus, maybe from cycle. So there are different and various kind of transport by which the students go to their school. But here different kind of system, different kind of transport system are being explained through the chapter going to school. So first one is collect some bricks. At first we will see it rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, they know the knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. Sometimes it happens now, rains fall down and heavily rains. After the heavy rain, maybe all the places are filled with water. But that is not a major problem for us. Somehow we go to our school and we opt some options. So here this is a scene of a village, or you can see it's a village scene where the water is been locked everywhere, and the students have, or the temporarily some local people made the temporary bridge. And what kind of bridge? This bridge is actually made up of canes. So how they have made this bridge? They put some canes in the logging portion and they tied them, and one or two these canes are being tied to this structure or crisscross structure. So it is a pathway from where the students can walk and they can go to their school. So the local people, and with the help of some local guardians or some people, the students were able to go to school. So this type of scene we can see anywhere. Okay. Sometimes it happens the water is too much, then some elder person, maybe they put or few bricks on that path, so that without touching the water, without making our shoes and whatever the footwear dirty, we can go through them, or we can walk from those bricks, so that our shoes will not become dirty. That scene is also given here. Now make a small bridge by trying 4 and 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you now walk on the bridge. So it is our activity part. We will try it later on. Okay. Now there are some other reasons of our country. As we know, geographical, so many portions are in our country. Somewhere it is plateau, somewhere it is a sea coast, somewhere it is hilly, somewhere it is a sandy portion. So in a different kind of portions, or a different kind of geographical features, we have to opt different type of transportation system. So here it is given the trolley. So in which area the trolley is needful, or in which area trolley is very useful. As we know, in hilly areas, there are in between the two hills, maybe there is some valley. Sometimes in between the two hills there is a khat. Sometimes in between two ditch, or you can say ditch, and in between two hills maybe there is a very vigorous river. So to cross from one hill to another hill, or in a hilly area from one place to another place, sometimes people use this trolley. So what is this trolley? Trolley is made up of a wooden thing, or maybe a iron box or a wooden box. It is a square kind of box and attaches to the wheel by a string or a strong string, and that move on a long string which moves from one hill to another hill, and these strings are being tied to some place very strongly. Maybe it is a tree, maybe it's from some rock, and it should be made very stronger, because 4 to 5 people or maybe sometimes 6 people sit inside the trolley and they cross the hill from one hill to another hill. So this is a trolley, structure of the trolley. It is written here, we have to cross the river to get the school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rock across the river. So across the river they are tying one strong rope from one side to another side. They are tying one strong rope, and from that rope they are tightly tying a strong trolley. And trolley is actually a open box made up of wood, attaches with the rock with the help of a pulley system or with a wheel system, so that it can move easily on the rope, and it can move one place to another place and one hill to another hill. So this pulley, 4 and 5 of the people can sit. A pulley help the trolley to move across this river or across the ditch or anywhere. So these hilly areas, trolleys are usually people use to complete their journeys or for transporting things from one place to another, and sometimes people also go from one place to another with the help of this trolley. Now here are given 2 and 3 pictures. First picture, a boy is pulling the water from the well, and how it is pulling the how this boy is drawing the water from the well. Manually he is drawing, or he is taking off water from the well manually, and it will take a lots of effort. But this boy has made one pulley on the or over this well, so he is taking the water and keeping his bucket tied with the pulley, so it can just drawing or pulling the rope towards itself, and the bucket is coming out from the well. So by less effort this boy can take out the water or bucket full of water with the help of pulley. So pulley is making the effort less, and with the less effort the boy is pulling the water from that well. And this girl is also weighing different kind of things with the help of pulley. So with the help of pulley, how this girl is taking off some brick is there, some other things are there, and by the observation or by the experience, it says that pulley helps to carry the heavier things with less effort, and we have to put less force or less effort to carry the things if we are drawing the water, or if we are carrying something with the help of the pulley, in compared to the manual action, and when we are pulling by our hand, or when we are drawing the water from the well by our hand or manually. So pulley is a kind of simple machine which are helping us to draw the water and to do the work with ease or with less effort. So that's all for today. We have completing the transportation system in hilly areas and wherever the water is being soaked or logged. So the logging water areas, and in the hilly areas, how the students go to their school. And next time we will discuss about the concrete bridge and how they are being made, and what are the necessary things to make the concrete bridge or a pakka bridge. So till that, goodbye. Go through your e-portal, do your homework, and whatever the assignment section, I am giving you the solved answers and the question answers. You just copy it down in your copy and no need to submit them. Only you will submit your homework section or whatever the question I am giving in the homework. Goodbye. Stay safe.